Most people believe you need thousands of dollars to start a business internationally. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, some countries allow entrepreneurs to legally register businesses with little to no minimum capital at all. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is confusing zero minimum capital with completely free business. Because even if registration is cheap, banking, taxes, licenses, and compliance still matter. In this video, I'll show you real countries where you can start a business with almost zero startup capital in 2026, how these systems work, and which options are actually practical for beginners. And trust me, some countries are far easier than people expect. Let's start right away. First is the United Kingdom. The UK remains one of the easiest places in the world to start a company with very low upfront costs. In many cases, entrepreneurs can form a private limited company online without needing large share capital deposits. For example, Alex started a small online freelancing business using a UK company structure because setup was fast, affordable, and internationally recognized. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many online founders choose the UK because platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and global suppliers work smoothly with UK businesses. But here's the problem. Low setup cost does not mean low taxes forever. Long-term planning still matters. Next is Estonia. Estonia's e-residency system continues attracting digital entrepreneurs because company formation can be handled online with relatively low startup requirements. This is where most people get excited. You don't necessarily need a huge office, employees, or large capital investments to begin. But this is where most people fail. They assume e-residency automatically gives immigration rights or tax residency benefits. It doesn't. Now let's talk about the United States, especially Wyoming and Delaware LLCs. Many online entrepreneurs form us LLCs because minimum startup capital requirements are extremely low compared to traditional corporations in other countries. Users like Jake often choose Wyoming because of lower fees and business-friendly laws. In a minute, I'll show you one of the cheapest countries almost nobody talks about. Next is Georgia. Not the US state. The country. Georgia has become increasingly popular among entrepreneurs because business registration is relatively affordable, taxes can be favorable depending on the structure, and operating costs remain low. For example, John launched a small e-commerce business there, mainly because startup expenses stayed manageable while maintaining international flexibility. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Singapore technically allows company registration without massive startup capital, and many businesses begin with very small declared amounts. But here's the problem. Living costs and operational expenses in Singapore can become expensive quickly, even if incorporation itself is affordable. Another strong option is the UAE. Some UAE free zones now offer simplified startup packages targeting freelancers and online entrepreneurs. But unlike viral online claims, Dubai is not free. Visa fees, licenses, and renewals still require real budgeting. And this is the key point most people miss. Starting a business with zero minimum capital only works if your business model itself is low cost. For example, freelancing, consulting, content creation, and online services are much easier to launch cheaply than physical stores or manufacturing businesses. So to recap, countries like the UK, Estonia, the US, Georgia, Singapore, and parts of the UAE allow entrepreneurs to start businesses with very low upfront capital requirements. But smart entrepreneurs always think beyond registration costs alone. Banking, taxes, payment processors, and long-term scalability matter just as much. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which country you would choose to start a business in. And if you want more global business and entrepreneur guides for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.